Is your Nissan Kicks key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small slot on the side or back of your key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver and pry the case open, being careful not to break the plastic clips. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If replacing the battery didn't solve the issue, check for corroded battery contacts. Clean them with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. If the fob got wet, dry it thoroughly using silica gel packets. If still not working, resync the key fob by cycling the ignition or visit a Nissan dealership. The remote may have faulty components that need professional replacement. Be aware that interference or low range due to the car's receiver module may cause the remote not to work.